When you buy an Apple personal computer, you get a limited 90-day warranty. But now you can extend the protection on your Apple hardware an additional 12 months with the Apple Care Carry-In Service Plan. With Apple Care, there are no unexpected repair costs. Should something go wrong with your Apple computer or peripheral, you simply bring it in to your Apple dealer service center. Because Apples are designed with easily replaceable modules, repairs can be made quickly, often while you wait. And all costs for parts and labor are completely covered by your renewable one-year Apple Care plan. You can purchase Apple Care at any time from any participating authorized dealer. And you can add to your coverage as you buy new components. The Apple Care Carry-In Service Plan, the kind of protection you and your Apple deserve. Now you can own the Apple computer system you want today with a small down payment and affordable credit terms, thanks to the Apple Credit Card. The Apple Credit Card is new, designed to make Apple personal computers easier to own. Once you've selected the Apple you'd like, plus the peripherals and software you want, just fill out an Apple Credit Card application. Your application will be approved while you wait, and with a 10% down payment, you can take your system home with you. With your Apple Credit Card, you can make additional Apple purchases up to your pre-approved credit limit at any participating Apple dealer. Find out today about the Apple Credit Card, your passkey to the exciting world of Apple personal computers. If you're considering an Apple personal computer system for your business, you should consider Apple Leasing. Consider the benefits. Apple Leasing leaves your valuable working capital intact. Apple Leasing doesn't tie up your bank credit line or other credit sources. You may be eligible for tax benefits, like the investment tax credit. You can structure a payment program to fit your budget. And with Apple Leasing, you can purchase your Apple computer system at the end of the lease for a small predetermined price. Ask your dealer about setting up an Apple Leasing program for you.
Oh, hello. Hello there. I was just working on a little research project. Nothing you'd be interested in, of course. But you are interested in personal computers, right? Well, you've come to the right place. Wonderful, this technology. If you are new to personal computers, they probably seem intimidating, difficult to understand. Actually, it's all very easy. But don't tell anyone. I like them to think they need me around here. I'll tell you everything you need to know to get started. First of all, this is a computer. Surprise, surprise. But this is the start of your personal computer system. It's usually attached to a keyboard, one of the ways you can communicate with your computer. Now, inside the computer, among all these wires and boards and resistors, is a tiny, marvelous little microchip. This is the central processing unit, the computer's brain, if you wish. Now, the computer's memory, or RAM for random access memory, resides in these other little microchips. That's where the information or data goes, in case you didn't know. Isn't that amazing? And now then, where was I? Oh, memory, yes, of course. For instance, if you hear that a particular computer has 64K RAM, you'll probably think that you're hearing a foreign language. But all that means is that the computer's memory can hold 64 kilobytes of information in its electronic memory at once, or about 64,000 characters. And how much is that? Well, it's about 20 pages of typed information, single-spaced, of course. But if you put all that information into your computer's memory and, heaven forbid, you should accidentally turn off the power, then poof, all gone. Fortunately, you can avoid such a disaster by saving this information on this little marvel called a floppy disk. Now, why a floppy disk? Well, it's flexible, but don't flex them too much. These things are a little sensitive. Now, with a disk drive, the information from the computer's memory can be stored magnetically. About 30 pages worth on one little disk, or an entire file cabinet in one small box. Isn't that wonderful? Disks are also used for something else. Software programs. The instructions that you can buy to tell your computer what to be. You see, the marvelous thing about a personal computer is that it's a machine that can do many, many entirely different things. And it all depends on the software. Software brings your computer to life. Without it, your computer can't do anything at all. No, that is not a television. That is the video display monitor. It lets you see what your computer is doing, lets you see the output. Monitors can be monochrome, easy on the eyes, or full color. Wonderful, wonderful. Now, sometimes you might like to get hard copy of your computer's output. Now, for this, you'll need another terrific invention, a printer. It transfers information from the computer onto paper. Well, that's about all there is to it. Now you know everything there is to know about what goes into a personal computer system. And what can you do with it? Well, more things than you ever dreamed of.
This lesson was brought to you by Apple, the company that invented personal computing. Your personal computer can open up a whole new world of electronic entertainment. There are games that teach, games that stretch the imagination, and at the same time stimulate interest in computer technology. But personal computers also offer entertainment programs that challenge your mind, not just your reflexes. Challenge yourself or your friends with your personal computer, your home entertainment center. A personal computer can be a powerful learning tool. Now education can be self-paced and highly interactive, even fun. Today, there's a wide variety of educational software for personal computers. Subjects like English, writing skills, math, foreign languages, science, and much more. Everything from drill and practice exercises to training for college entrance exams. Of course, just using a personal computer is educational and fun. More and more colleges are requiring students to use personal computers in their coursework. Soon, basic computer knowledge will be a necessity, the key to your child's future. Let's face it, having your own Apple computer today is the best way to prepare for tomorrow. One of the most important things a personal computer can do for you is help you manage money and finances. At home, your personal computer can help keep the guesswork out of your family budget and make tax time a breeze. You can see where your money is going and plan what to do with what you've saved. And when you're ready to make a major purchase, such as a new car, you can use your personal computer to see how your monthly payments will be affected by different interest rates or the amount of your down payment. If you're investing in the future, your personal computer can help you there too. You can easily compare investment opportunities or electronically manage your stock portfolio. In business, your personal computer can help you improve the bottom line with financial modeling and forecasting. You can easily develop a number of what-if scenarios to chart the most profitable course for your company. And computerized accounting takes the drudgery and repetition out of bookkeeping and gives you access to reports anytime you need them, so you can make better management decisions. Your dealer can show you the software that can turn an Apple personal computer into your financial manager. The personal computer, one of the most important inventions of our time. It's changing the way we work, the way we learn, and the way we play. But just what is it that a personal computer can do? The answers will challenge your imagination. We're just beginning to discover all the ways personal computers can make work easier and life more enjoyable. A personal computer frees you from repetitive mechanical tasks, giving you more time to use your mind for the things that really count, like being creative, making sound decisions, and putting your ideas into action. At home or in business, your personal computer can help you become a better money manager. It can take the drudgery out of writing, so you can express yourself freely with the power of electronic word processing. A personal computer can help you get more out of your files and lists by sorting and retrieving your information electronically. You can connect your personal computer with other computers to give you access to a whole new world of information. And it can also become a complete home entertainment center or your own personal tutor, providing a wealth of education and opportunity. Now, to see how a personal computer can become part of your life, just select an area that interests you. Word processing is the most important advance in written communication since the invention of the typewriter. With word processing software and your personal computer, you can type freely and not worry about any mistakes you might make. You can concentrate on what you're saying instead of how it looks on the page. Once you've entered your text into the computer, you can then go back and make it letter perfect. You can edit until your words are as great as your ideas. And if you like, you can rearrange things. You can also format your document to your satisfaction. And when everything is just the way you want it, you can print it out. Perfect the first time, every time. Word processing is fast and easy. And since it's so easy to make changes, you can concentrate on your writing, not your mistakes. Ask your authorized Apple dealer to show you how an Apple personal computer can revolutionize the way you write with word processing. One of the things personal computers do best is to keep track of great quantities of information. Records and lists of every kind, names and addresses, recipes, parts, inventories, tax records, and so on. It's like having an electronic file cabinet. With your personal computer, you can take all the information stored in a file folder, up to about 30 pages, and store it on one diskette. So you can put it to work instantly in ways you never dreamed possible. This is called information management, and it gives you the ability to sort, retrieve, and summarize all the information you need electronically. With electronic information management, your personal computer can help you organize your business and your life. Enter the exciting world of electronic communications with your Apple personal computer. By connecting your personal computer to a device called a modem and an ordinary phone line, you can share information and talk with other computer owners and enthusiasts. Or you can link up to mainframe computers to book your flight to London or keep up with the stock market. You can send and receive mail electronically. And you can even do your banking transactions and catalog shopping from your home. You might even become a telecommuter, working at home and communicating with your company through your personal computer. So reach out and communicate with someone with your personal computer. If you're interested in personal computers, you've probably got plenty of questions. This is the place for answers. Hello, I'm Tom Parker, and I'm your guide to the Apple Information Center. Apple is the company that invented personal computing. There are more people doing more things with Apple computers than with any other personal computer in the world. Apple believes in the idea of the personal computer. One computer for one person, simply because of the tremendous contribution a personal computer can make to individual growth and achievement. But how do you choose a computer, and how can you be sure you're making the right choice? Apple wants to help you answer those questions. The Apple Information Center is designed to give you clear, concise information, like guidelines on selecting a personal computer and which Apple computer is right for you. If you're new to personal computing, there's a section on what a personal computer can do for you and an introduction to computer basics, plus information on Apple's new credit card and financing plans to make buying Apple computers even easier. All you have to do is touch the screen for the area that interests you and enter the world of Apple personal computers. The first thing to look for when shopping for a home computer is software. Make sure there's a wide range of software available so you can do all the things you'd like to be able to do. Your home personal computer should also have enough memory, at least 64K, so you won't be limited in your choice of programs. And your computer's memory should be expandable, so your system can grow to meet your needs in the future. Your computer should also allow you to easily attach a variety of accessories or peripherals like disk drives, a printer, a modem, or other devices, so you can build a complete computer system. To get the most enjoyment and usefulness out of your computer, it should deliver high-resolution, full-color graphics. And your computer should be reliable, backed by a company with a reputation for dependability and service. Now, just touch the screen to see which Apple personal computer meets all these requirements and is everything your home computer should be. Trying to find out which personal computer is the right one for you can be a frustrating and confusing process. You need a lot of information to make a good decision. Well, we'd like to help by giving you a few simple guidelines to think about. But first, we need to know how you plan to use your computer, in your home or in your business. Just touch the screen with your answer. When selecting a personal computer for your business, first determine the software you'll need. The software you select will determine which computer system is right for your business. Many business applications require a lot of memory. Your business computer's memory should be expandable to 128K or more. You should also make sure that your computer system is easy to set up and easy to use. As your business grows, your business computer should be able to grow with you. It should also allow you to easily attach a variety of accessories or peripherals like disk drives, a printer, a modem, or other devices so you can build a complete computer system. Since you'll come to depend upon your business computer, you should also be able to depend on the company that makes it. Make sure your computer is covered by a good warranty with fast, dependable service and support. Apple has several personal computer systems designed for business. So whatever your business needs, Apple has a personal computer system that's right for you. Now, just touch the screen to see how to put one of these computers to work for you.
You know, keeping on top of things today is pretty tough. There's just too much information to handle. I knew it was important for me and my family to join the computer age, so I shopped around and I found that most home computers are pretty limited. What I like about the Apple IIe is that it has something for everyone in the family. My son uses it for his homework, everything from writing reports to studying his math. Even at his age, competition is tough. The Apple IIe seems to give him an advantage that means better grades now and better opportunities tomorrow.
I've been using our Apple IIe to manage our household finances. It helps me budget our expenses, so we have the money for the things we want, like clothes, movies, restaurants, and vacations.
And you know, there is more software available for the Apple IIe than any other personal computer. Programs that help us manage our investments and even prepare our taxes. With the IIe, we were able to expand the memory to 128K, so we could use more sophisticated programs.
Don't forget about the games, Dad.
The great thing is our Apple IIe was very affordable.
And between his good grades and what we've saved, I'd say our Apple has paid for itself already.
Don't forget to mention the games, Dad.
You haven't beaten me yet.
You know, you really should think about getting an Apple IIe for your family, so you can all enter the computer age together.
The Apple IIe, your introduction to the world of personal computers.
When you run your own business, you gotta keep a lot of things cooking. Around here, I'm head chef, manager, and administrator. I was working real hard. Mama says too hard. She says, Tony, to be a success, you gotta put more garlic in your clam sauce and an apple in your office. So I shopped around, and I discovered that there was more small business software available for the Apple IIe than for any other personal computer. And since my starter system was so affordable, it paid for itself faster than my pizza oven. But the big difference is I'll never get burned by my Apple IIe. You see, my Apple not only does what I need it to do now, but can expand as my business grows. Last month I added more memory. So now I have 128K. That lets me work with bigger spreadsheets and use more sophisticated business programs. And if I want to add accessories in the future, it'll be easy. The Apple IIe has 8 expansion slots, so I can easily add the peripherals, cards I need, tailor it to suit my needs. With the Apple IIe, I can budget better, control my inventory. So I know exactly how much ravioli to make for next month without wasting a lot of dough. Hey, I used to pay my cousin Angela to do my bookkeeping for me. But she couldn't cut the mustard. My Apple IIe personal computer has changed all that. Now, I can get up-to-the-minute financial reports, so I know exactly how things are cooking. And payroll? Goodbye, cousin Angela. Hello, Apple IIe. My Apple calculates all the deductions, prints the checks, and even updates all my employees' files. But best of all, learning to use my IIe was as easy as a pie. My Apple IIe helps me run my business more profitably and more efficiently, and that's what Mama calls use your noodle.
The Apple IIe personal computer, the silent partner for small businesses.
You know, most businesses pay close attention to the bears and bulls. Well, our company concentrates on just bears. Like most companies, we started small, but business really grew. And now we're up to $5 million in sales. Well, that's a lot of bears. But that created problems. Management wasn't getting the information it needed quickly enough to make the right decisions. And accounting was really behind. It was clear we needed help. So I spent some time comparing a number of computer systems. And the Apple III stood out from all the rest. It is one of the most advanced and powerful computers in its class, ideal for business. And I found that there is a lot of sophisticated business software available for the Apple III. Everything from accounting to word processing to database management. I started using a powerful electronic spreadsheet program called VisiCalc to analyze our financial situation. With VisiCalc, I was able to make really large, detailed spreadsheets that pinpointed our problems. Now, that required a lot of memory, but the Apple III has it, 256K. And I was able to turn those spreadsheets into charts and graphs for my presentation to the Big Bear. My next step was to computerize our accounting system. We handle a lot of transactions every day, so I set up our second Apple III on a profile. Apple's 5 megabyte hard disk storage system, an ideal companion for the Apple III. Now we get our financial reports right on time, and that's helped our cash flow tremendously. We're also using a great software program called Catalyst, which lets us load all of our copy-protected software programs onto the profile and then switch from one program to the next at the touch of a button. I also put our Apple III to work in getting out letters and reports. With the right software, it's a powerful word processor. And the Apple III has improved communications with our branch offices. We use it as a sort of electronic mail system to share files, financial data, and exchange messages. The Apple III has had a big impact on our business. It's helped us knock the stuffing out of our competition and improve the bottom line. And might have had something to do with my promotion.
The Apple III, the personal computer for professionals.
Running a company in today's competitive market is a demanding job. To be successful, you've got to make the best use of your resources, and you've got to have the right information to make the best decisions. That's why I've got a computer on my desk. But not just any computer. This is Apple's Lisa. Lisa represents the latest in personal computer technology. A 32-bit microprocessor, 1 megabyte of internal memory, 2 floppy disk drives, and a hard disk. Sure, it sounds impressive, but the real advantage with Lisa is that it works the way you do. With Lisa, there aren't any confusing commands to learn. Instead, the types of work you can do are represented by graphic symbols or icons. In fact, the screen itself is a model of your desktop. You select the kind of work you want or the functions you need with this little device called a mouse. The symbols and simple work commands are the same for all of Lisa's software programs. So learning a new application is quick and easy. That means you can concentrate on what you want done, not how to get the computer to do it. But it's Lisa's integrated software that really makes the difference. Each Lisa application is by itself a powerful professional office tool. But with Lisa, they all work together, allowing you to manipulate and move information from one application to another instantly. You can work on several documents at once and spread them out just as you would on your desk. And there's also several accounting programs for Lisa, developed by some of the leading business software firms. And when I'm working with Lisa, I know that what I see on the screen is exactly what I'll get on the printed page. Graphics and all. No other personal computer system is as powerful, flexible, and easy to use as Lisa. And since Lisa lets me use my time more effectively, I've become more productive. And let's face it, when time is money, productivity counts.
Apple invents the personal computer all over again with Lisa, the most personal computer. And now, the perfect complement to your Apple personal computer. For professional, better than typewriter quality documents, the Apple Daisy Wheel Printer. Fully compatible with the Apple IIe, Apple III, and Lisa personal computers, the Apple Daisy Wheel Printer produces high-quality text as well as graphics with a single print wheel. A variety of print wheels are available for different type styles and faces, from fine print to headline size, with standard and proportional spacing. Give your letters and documents professional polish with the Apple Daisy Wheel Printer. Introducing Apple's new high-resolution image writer, the economical choice for your Apple personal computer. Now you can reproduce text and graphics with the precision and clarity of printers costing much more. With up to 11 different type styles in any combination of typefaces, the Apple Image Writer delivers 3 modes of resolution. The Apple Image Writer, unsurpassed in quality, versatility, and performance. Now you can take full advantage of the extraordinary graphics capabilities of your Apple personal computer with the new high-quality, low-cost Apple Color Plotter. The Apple Color Plotter is like having an entire art department at your disposal. You can quickly and easily prepare presentation-quality charts, graphs, and diagrams at the touch of a button. The Apple Color Plotter for presentation graphics that communicate quickly, accurately, and effectively.